Hi, thanks for joining me. Our Oracle customer experience portfolio includes solutions for marketing, service, and sales. We're going to spend the next 10 minutes looking at innovations in our sales portfolio. Your sales team is the hero of your business, indispensable to driving revenue. And most want superpowers to help them manage their roles, not just as sales professionals, but also marketers, negotiators, entertainers, and even forecasters. But traditional CRM approaches are standing in their way. Forced to swing between 3 or more different screens, an untold number of open windows, sellers find themselves wasting mountains of precious time in the name of data collection, when they should be focused on delighting customers throughout the sales engagement. CRM shouldn't just be about managing a beautiful Rolodex. So at Oracle, we're reimagining the sales experience around what makes sense for you, the sales team, in a way that feels good and matters to how you work. We want you to fall in love with your CRM again, one interaction at a time. So let's take a look at what we've been doing at Oracle to build a thoughtful new approach to CRM to help you sell better by removing repetitive, manual tasks and adding in intelligent, action-oriented conversational UIs. Over the last few releases, we've made Workspace feel and behave like a natural starting point from which you can discover and act on information uniquely important to the customers and accounts you serve. Workspace ensures you don't have to guess what is most important as you start your day. We've made every bit of the UI actionable, intelligent, and customizable. Workspace guides you through the most important and key sales information to you, your accounts, and your customers. Blisteringly fast adaptive search pulls in information from across the organization so you don't have to jump outside the UI to find it. Actionable infolets allow you to create opportunities, tasks, appointments in a single click. Smart lists learn from your sales opportunity profiles and your daily actions to surface what is most important to you each day. And whether you're working on your desktop, mobile, or in Office 365, all this intelligent functionality follows you. So let's take a look. I'd like to welcome Adam from our CX Innovation Lab, who's going to show you the innovation within Workspace, including some of these gorgeous new recently released features. Over to you, Adam.
Thank you, Katrina. Hello, everyone. I get the pleasure to show you the new Workspace Innovations. Workspace umbrellas all areas of Oracle sales. Therefore, I do not have to worry about being in the exact right place to complete my required tasks. As I click into Workspace, I am presented with a smart list. A smart list is a search designed by myself, the user, to present the data I find important, which is automatically prioritized by my learned behavior within the application recently. Of course, within any layout, I can still do keyword search. But what's different about this keyword search is that the results shown are the result of deep relationship data and not just header data. Therefore, if that data is within any record, Workspace will find it. Now, within this layout, I can create or edit smart lists to my liking to search throughout the deep data found within Oracle Sales, such as leads, opportunities, and now even quote data. This adaptive search capability can give the user functionality that they are already familiar with easy-to-use filters to build my perfect search, or even quick key into deeper available fields to pinpoint my search even better. Once I'm presented with the data I want, I'm then able to present the data to myself the way I want to work with it, by simply adding or removing whichever columns to the view that I desire. These columns are both data or action-based. One of the columns I can add is the new favorites column, which is very useful to be able to do from the results list. So I can now quickly favorite any record easily. If this defined experience is one I'm going to need frequently, I can save it so I can utilize it again. I can also set it as my default view or even access it on Oracle Sales Mobile. One column that is available to be added to the layout are smart actions. Smart actions allow me to save time by acting on results within the results list, instead of having to click in and out of the record. This is fully extensible, so I can build and add my custom actions to this section. Therefore, I can complete my tasks easily and quickly. Finally, talking about getting to tasks quickly, I am now able to take these personalized workspace searches and utilize them within my homepage infolets, which will improve my launching points right from the homepage itself. What you've seen here today is Workspace creating a cleaner and straight to the point bespoke experience where the user can access relationship data which is found anywhere within Oracle Sales. Once I have the data I want, I'm then able to personalize it to display the way I want to work with it. Therefore, I'm able to quickly get to work and complete tasks faster. Back to you, Katrina.
Thanks for the Workspace Innovation Tour, Adam. All these great new features are available now for you to start using. Quoting details for even your most complex opportunities surface naturally in the context of your daily discovery. Smart lists that work even harder for you by keeping track of your favorites, no matter where you are in the experience. And actionable infolets across Workspace and Home keep you action-oriented with every click. So now let's take a look at how we're transforming the sales experience on this little device you take with you everywhere. Michelle, tell us what's unique and exciting about the sales mobile experience.
Thanks, Katrina. I don't know about you, but my mobile screen time goes up every week. This little device follows me everywhere. And I know that's true for all of us. Today, staying connected to the CRM is less about being out in the field or out on the road, and it's more just not having to be tethered to your desk. And that's maybe because you're camped out in your dining room, helping your kids get situated on their Zoom classes, or maybe you're taking a much needed meeting break and having a quick run outside when you have a great idea for an upcoming pitch and you want to add a note to your opportunity. In the latest release, it's even easier to work from mobile in a very conversational way using an embedded sales assistant. So you can ask the assistant to make a call, send an email, or use other voice commands. Information is searchable and prioritized in mobile exactly the same way that we just saw in Workspace a moment ago. Let's take a look.
Thank you, Michelle. During these times, we were all getting pulled away from our desks as we have gained other daily responsibilities, such as homeschooling and generally keeping the family happy. Now I get to show you how the Oracle Sales mobile innovations can keep you successful during these times. The moment I open up the application, I am immediately presented with the news that I need to know right away. I need to know my pipeline, any tasks I have, and any upcoming appointments. The first thing you notice about the application is our new thoughtful design-led Redwood experience, making the application easy to navigate, easy to look at, and incredibly responsive. At any stage within the application, I am always able to access the overlay menu to quickly navigate around. So I can get the latest on the highly important opportunities that I've been investing a lot of time into. I can get any data about any account on the fly, and even check up on the latest available leads. Not only do I get the well thought out default searches created from the application, but when I log into the Oracle Sales application, I know I have the same personalized experiences I have in my workspace available to me. So I can access the exact same smart lists that are important to me, such as this one, which you saw me create earlier today. One very important mentionable is that despite being away from my desk, I am still able to access the same data that I would be able to sitting at my laptop, keeping the data pervasive throughout all platforms. The final neat piece of functionality I want to show off today is our sales assistant with voice, which Michelle mentioned earlier actually, where I can navigate the application even easier using my voice. Show me open opportunities. It now has shown me a list of open opportunities and I can now select one to interact with. Sales Assistant keeps that context so that I can use my voice to navigate deeper within that record. For example, show me the account. And now we see the account attached to that opportunity. You have now seen a very effective Oracle Sales application. The user does not have to feel like they have to be glued to their laptop to be successful. This application can now be easily utilized in order to keep them on track and successful. Back to you, Michelle.
Awesome demo of mobile innovation in action, Adam. Thank you. All of these great features are available now for you to start using, including the powerful new Sales Assistant. And remember, Information and how to quickly access it is consistent across the web and mobile experiences, so you can always find what you need, when and where you need it. And now back to Katrina for some final thoughts.
Hey, thanks, Michelle. Thanks, Adam. You know, we just scratched the surface of what's possible with Oracle Sales. We are on a transformational journey at Oracle to make sellers fall in love with their CRM again, one interaction at a time, with prescriptive, action-oriented experiences that help sellers delight their customers by focusing on the right actions at every point in the sales engagement. So let's keep in touch. To learn more or schedule a demo, please visit oracle.com/cx/innovations. Thank you and see you next time.